Does this work calendar look familiar to you? Where you have back-to-back meetings, meeting after meeting after meeting, and then finally, yes, you wish you'd taken a break. Well, there's a useful feature in Microsoft Outlook that can help you take back control of your workday and give you those much-needed breaks in between meetings. Let's take a look how. So if you're sick of having back-to-back meetings on a regular basis, there's a useful little weapon that Microsoft Outlook can equip you with. And this is found in our settings section in the top right hand corner. So simply click on that and you'll be presented with your options here. So the first thing you're going to want to do in this column here is select calendar, and then next to it select events and invitations. And you'll notice here we're given a few options, and one of those options is to shorten the duration for all events. If you tick that box, it'll present you with a few options. You can either choose to end events early or start them late. Now, most of the time you'll find that ending the events early is the most preferred option. So for this particular example, we'll select that. And if it's less than 1 hour, you can choose the time in which that meeting or that event will finish early. So you can see it defaults out to 5 minutes. You can select up to 10 minutes, but we'll select 5 minutes. And if it's 1 hour or longer, you can even extend that out a little further. So we'll keep it at 10 minutes and then we'll see how we go. So we'll click save and then you can close that box. And then we'll see if we can improve things on the following day, on the Thursday the 12th. So if you were to create a meeting, notice what occurs here. Instead of the full hour, it defaults to 50 minutes. Because remember, we selected 10 minutes for the meeting to finish early if it is an hour or longer. So you can type in your meeting, and we're happy about that. Click save, and you are given a much needed break. Similarly, if it's half an hour, you can go ahead, organize that meeting, and you'll be granted that 5-minute break. Now, if you really need the whole hour, you can go and do that by selecting the down menu at the finish time of the meeting, and you can select the full hour. Similarly, if you wish to make it an hour long, you can opt for the full hour. But this is a nice way for Outlook to default to ensure that you get those much needed bathroom breaks, tea breaks, or water breaks, or whatever you like to do in between your meetings. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, or comment, and happy emailing.